Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing our nails using the Ciate London cheat sheets. These are such a cute idea, you guys, and I kind of wanted to just share them with you. So I have 4 different colors of nail polishes here, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint my nails, get that out of the way, and then we're going to use the Ciate London cheat sheets. And these are stickers that you put on your nails. So I'm going to be using these cute ones today. There's flowers, clouds, suns, hearts, watermelons, super cute. And you just stick them on the nail every which way. I like to use big and small ones just to keep it interesting. And there they are. I'm going to use a clear coat as well as a oil for my cuticles. And here is what the final outcome is. Super cute. I'm not a person that goes and gets my nails done, so this is just a really fun and cute way to keep the nails interesting and done. I've gotten so many compliments on these, you guys. I have used some of the other stickers that are in here. As you can see, there's so many to choose from, and I still have so many left over. But yeah, I just wanted to share this cute little process with you guys, and these make a great gift for someone or for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.